Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a mortgage with Quicken Loans, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register a mortgage with Quicken Loans, begin by visiting the Quicken Loans website. Locate the Apply Now button on the home page. Clicking this will direct you to the application page. Fill out the initial form with your personal information. This includes your name, address, and contact details. Next, provide information about your employment and income. Be prepared to enter details about your financial situation. This may include your debts, assets, and any other sources of income. After completing these sections, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed to submit your application. Quicken Loans will then review your application and may request additional documentation. Prepare to provide items such as pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Once your application is approved, you'll receive an offer. Review the mortgage options provided to you. Make sure to compare interest rates, terms, and monthly payments. When you're ready, accept the mortgage offer. After acceptance, schedule a closing date. During closing, you will sign the final paperwork. Be sure to read through all documents carefully. After signing, you will officially register your mortgage with Quicken Loans. Keep all documentation for your records. This concludes the registration process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.